What's up, everybody? I'm Original Dobo. Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. If you're new here or you haven't yet subscribed, consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos just like this. We're also going to be doing a giveaway once a month, so make sure you definitely hit that subscribe button if you like free stuff. I've got the Nuboom from Nuboom here. Now this is a Bluetooth speaker like none other, and I'm really super excited about it. You probably think, oh, it's just your normal average Bluetooth speaker. I thought that too when they talked to me at first about reviewing this product. I was like, I've got a JBL Flip, I'm good, I don't want to look at this product. But then I looked a little closer and then I realized this thing is packing a 4200 milliamp hour battery. It has an IPX5 certification, which means it's basically splash and dust proof. Not only that, it has a dedicated subwoofer, two 5-watt dedicated tweeters, and pretty awesome solar power charging. And get this, just 10 minutes out in the sun will get you up to 30 minutes of playback. Speaking of playback, 55 hours of playback. And if that doesn't sound great all in itself, well, you can also charge your device with this as well. There is a auxiliary flap here. All in all, this is a very awesome speaker. I'm very super excited about it. So yeah, that is the Nuboom speaker from Nuboom. It's incredibly loud, it's clear. It actually is going to replace my JBL Flip 2. And if you look, there is a lot of sand on here, and it's still totally fine. I actually threw it in the sand, didn't phase it one bit. If you want a chance to win one of these, make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow the link in the description so you can check out the giveaway on Gleam. I'm going to be giving away a Bluetooth speaker just like this from Nuboom. You're going to get the black version of the Nuboom. Now, if you don't want to wait to win it, you can head over to Amazon and pick one of these up for like $56. I'll have that link in the description as well. And there's also one more chance to win one of these. If you head over to Nuboom's Facebook page, like their page, they are going to be giving away one as well. Freaking loud. It's amazing. And yeah, pretty cool. Honey, 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 honey.